meters. Just about to start loading here for the 200 mile to Augusta. Birds are looking great. Caught a few earlier today, they feel excellent. Droppings are really good. I may have a bit of a race ahead of them tomorrow. That northeast wind could be working on them a little bit, but I think they're up for the challenge. I'll get a little bit of footage of us scanning the birds. But good luck to all of you. Hope your birds all do well. I'm just as excited as you are. As the distance gets out, it's more and more exciting.